What could be the next big thing in the smartphone world? Could it be the upcoming Redmi Note 14 series? As we closer to the new year, the anticipation is building for what Xiaomi has in store for us with their Redmi Note 14 series. There's been a buzz around this new series, and it's not just because of the impressive specs we've come to expect from Xiaomi. The Chinese market is rife with competition, and it seems like Xiaomi is gearing up to take on Realme's latest offering, the Realme 12 series. Word on the street is that the Redmi Note 14 series could rival the Realme 12 series in terms of specs and price range. With similar features like a curved display and a focus on camera performance, the Redmi Note 14 series could very well give the Realme 12 series a run for its money. As we wait for the official release, let's dive into some leaked information about this highly anticipated smartphone series. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. Scene script. Leaks and rumors are part of the excitement in the tech world. What does the Chinese tipster have to say about the Redmi Note 14? Well, buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we have some juicy information straight from the rumor mill. The Chinese tipster, known as Smart Pikachu, spilled the beans on Weibo about the upcoming Redmi Note 14 series. If these leaks hold water, we are in for a real treat. Smart Pikachu suggests that the Redmi Note 14 series is gearing up to be a strong contender against the Realme 12 series. How so, you ask? Well, let's delve into the details. Firstly, the Redmi Note 14 series is rumored to feature a sleek, curved display. This design element is a step up from the flat screens we're accustomed to in the Redmi Note lineup. And guess what? The Realme 12 series is also expected to flaunt a similar curved display. Now let's talk about the camera. Xiaomi is reportedly focusing on enhancing the camera performance in the Redmi Note 14 series. The tipster hints at better optical zoom capabilities, potentially rivaling the telephoto lens expected in the Realme 12 Pro and Pro Plus. If true, this could be a game-changer for the Redmi Note series, known for its quality cameras at an affordable price point. Another interesting point to note is the similar price range. Xiaomi and Realme have always been locked in a fierce battle to deliver top-tier specs at an attractive price. So, if the Redmi Note 14 and Realme 12 series come in at similar price points, it's going to be a tough choice for consumers. Lastly, the tipster suggests that Xiaomi might surprise us with an earlier launch to compete with Realme's devices. An early release could give Xiaomi a leg up in the race, but only time will tell if this move pays off. While we keep our fingers crossed for an early launch, let's summarize what we've discussed so far. So, what should we expect from the Redmi Note 14 series? Well, it's clear that Xiaomi is gearing up for an exciting face-off with the Realme 12 series. The new Redmi Note 14 series is rumored to come with similar specs and a comparable price tag, all set to make this an intense rivalry to watch. The Chinese tipster Pikachu has hinted that both series will feature a curved display and an enhanced focus on camera performance. In fact, the Redmi Note 14 Pro series might also offer improved optical zoom capabilities, matching up to the telephoto lens expected in the Realme 12 Pro series. Meanwhile, the upcoming Redmi Note 13 series in India is already creating waves, with its curved display and continued use of the 200MP main sensor. This only adds to the anticipation surrounding the Redmi Note 14 series. As the tech world buzzes with anticipation, remember to stay tuned for more updates on the Redmi Note 14 series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.